get it? Here. Can you... Here. Here.
Yeah.
Here you go. Can you get it?
I'll get this. No, use all of this kind of stuff.
Okay.
Did you just roll that?
No, Eiley did it.
Okay.
She says, okay. The kids are having more fun with your toys than you are, Eiley.
We're having much fun. You guys are not. Because you're a babysitter.
Because I'm your babysitter?
No, you're a babysitter.
No, you're a babysitter.
Okay, now take it. Oh, no, we still got more.
Oh, I hope there's nothing in there that's going to break anything.
Okay, now.
Crazy. She's like, let go of my toys. Do they have your toys? They have all your toys, don't they? Eiley. Hello.
Let's get some more. Okay, 2 more left. John, we can't get those 2 things. We can't get that, Kate.